Mystery Review UK. This is just a quick update video on the first free comic book mystery boxes I did. The first one was from Comic Box UK and it was Dark Horse Comics. And then I got the 2 Valiant boxes from eBay. Now this is just an update on the pricing that I've worked out. I've gone through them all, got prices what they sell for, just to see roughly what type of value you're getting in these boxes. So I've done it on an Excel sheet, so I'll just explain. I'll switch the camera so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, now we've switched the camera. You can see this was the first Valiant box, which I believe was video 2 I did. Now these are the comics that we got in this one. They were all pre-owned. And then I've done the price, what they're selling for at the minute, and roughly how much postage people are charging. So like I say, these are only estimates. These aren't guaranteed what you'd get if you decided to sell. So this is obviously the first box. We got 7 comics in that, and that was £4. And then you can see after the eBay fees, postage, PayPal fees, this is the type of profit you'd be left if they sold for that. Now these are the lower estimates of what they're selling for. So as you can see, that's like a profit of £13 from that box after all your fees from selling. So that's not bad really. If you sold private, you'd get a lot more, because you could take your fees off and probably your postage if you could do it. So that's your first box. Now this is your second Valiant comic book box. Now you can see there was a lot of comics in this one, and I've done the same. We have the price they're selling for and postage. Most of these ones in this, people haven't charged postage for them, but there were a few more higher value ones in here. You see the top one, $9.95. There's one there, $9.77 for the Hard Corps, $10.95 for the Archer and Armstrong. So I'll scroll down quickly. So this ain't going to be a long video, it's just an update video. So there was a lot of comics here. So you can see that if we sold for the lower estimates what they're selling for, that would be £208 and £44.80 in postage. Now take your eBay fees off that, your PayPal fees, how much it would cost to post, and you'd be looking at £129.59 profit out of them. Like I say, you just, with these, it'd be, if you wanted to, it'd be taking the time to sell them. Obviously, if you're in no rush is better, because then you've got a chance of getting the money you want. But I'm not selling any of these, but I just want to show you what type of offers you can get. So here you go. That's not bad from that one. Now, Comic Box UK subscription box, which was Dark Horse. I did the same. Now, you can see here, there's 3 here, Solomon Kanes. I've not included these in the price. There's only one I have because it's a variant copy. But these 3 I've not included in the final figures, because if you complete the set, and I only need another 2, as you can see, you get £75 just for that set. And that is every set that I could find. So that's not bad really. So let's go down. So out of this one, you would, let's go off that, you'd be looking at £90.95 selling. After your fees, your posts, you'd be looking at £19 profit. That's without the Solomon Kanes. Now, if you sold the Solomon Kanes, you completed the set, you'd be looking at £87.50 profit instead, which is quite a big difference. So out of those 3 boxes, now if I go down to the bottom, I'll show you how much that total would be. I believe I did it. Yeah. So your outlay for all 3 boxes was roughly £41. And your total profit is a chance of £231.08, which isn't bad at all. But obviously that is going as if you actually sold the Solomon cane as well, not this one. You'd knock the extra off. So if you sold everything, completed this collection, you'd have a bit more outlay because of getting the last 2 comics. You'd be looking at £231.08, which personally I don't think is bad for a £41 outlay. And that is covering all your fees and everything. So I think that's a fantastic deal. But like I say, I thought I'd give you an update because I didn't do it. It takes a bit longer because I don't want to just be chucking figures around. I wanted to look and do a bit of research on them first and find out on average what they're selling for and on the cheaper side. So I hope that video was okay. It's just a quick update. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.